So LinkedIn, there's a lot of new information out there about what actually gets traction on LinkedIn. So first off, LinkedIn themselves came out with some information this week that's pretty interesting, and they're sharing what do you need to do in order to get the most engagement on your personal pages, on your company pages. So what they shared first off is consistency. You need to be posting 2 to 3 times per week. The algorithm eats it up if you do. It looks out for your post, they're saying, if you do. So 2 to 3 times per week on your company and personal pages. And then the secret sauce number of words, they're saying from LinkedIn themselves, is 2 to 300 words in a post. Okay, so no giant thingamabob, 2 to 300 words. Now, the other really interesting thing that came out was from this company called Metricool, who did a study of 673,000 LinkedIn posts and over 63,000 accounts. Okay. And what they came out with, which is kind of super interesting, is two different things. Number one, let's talk about company pages first. Company pages, carousel posts on company pages as compared to single image posts. Okay. Carousel posts are generating on company pages 11 times more interactions and 15 times more clicks. Wow. Now, on personal profiles, carousels are also doing really well. On personal pages, carousels are averaging 51% more impressions than single image posts. The last one, as it relates to LinkedIn, which I found fascinating from this study, which was a really comprehensive study, found that if you end your post with a question, right, posts that are basically positioned as questions have 77% more comments than those that aren't. Now, for my own findings, when I tried all of this, a few fold. Number one, 100% carousels do so incredibly well. I see way more saves and shares and follows and all that stuff from carousel posts, both on my personal page and company pages. The only problem is a pain in the butt to create them. But other than that, I know you can create them with AI, but those are cheesy. And then in terms of putting a question at the end of your post, that does so well. It works also really well on Instagram. Basically, everybody likes being heard, right? So when you ask somebody their opinion about something, everybody gets hyped and they want to share that. So that's pretty cool.